Here at Tamarack Aerospace, innovation is more than just a buzzword, it's a mindset. While we're known globally for our revolutionary Active Winglet technology, there's a lot happening behind the scenes that you might not know about. Our engineering consulting division supports aviation pioneers, from startups to industry leaders, by turning bold ideas into real solutions. At our facility in Sandpoint, Idaho, we're using cutting-edge tools like 3D printing and CNC machining to bring parts to life, fast. Our 3D printing capabilities allow us to create complex, lightweight components ideal for aviation, while our CNC machines ensure every part is built with precision. At Tamarack, the future of aviation isn't a distant goal, it's what we're building today. Whether you're refining an idea or developing a new concept, our team is here to help, one prototype at a time.